together called Axis. That's right? And that's right. And he's a great session player, just moved out here, and really, in my eyes, one of the best bass players I've ever played with, the best bass player I ever played with, I can honestly say that. Stu, you can pay me later. He said he owes me so much money. No. This is Chris Frazier on drums. Chris lived in Wyoming, and a friend of mine was putting a band together, and he needed a drummer, and he put ads out in the paper, and Chris came by and auditioned, and I played with him, and I was like, well, this guy's got it together. And he's got a very good sense of time, and this is came in and laid the drums on top of it. And right now he's available for session work, and he's looking for a group, right?
Yeah. Yes, I'm out of work.
Anything else? Okay, well, I guess we'll do one more. Let me pick a good one. Oh, okay. Okay, this is a brand new one that I've just been fooling around with. There's going to be a lot of mistakes, but who cares, right? Now this, what I'm doing in this song is, hang on. So what's happening is, I have this digital delay set up so that when I hit a note, the dry signal comes out of this bottom here, and the echo signal comes out of that bottom. So you get a cool stereo thing. Now what's going to happen now is, I've rigged this. When I first started practicing this song, I was playing with a drum machine. I had the drum machine going, and I sunk up the echo of this machine here, or the DDL, up to the drum machine so that I can play like an eighth note thing. And I just started. Now what's happening here is I'll be playing one note. Every time I play a note, I'll go to another note, and the note that's echoing will act as a harmony note to the note I'm playing here. And it's kind of difficult to sync up with the band, so there might be some, growth, but it'll be all right. Now, so then the echo's coming out over there, and here we go. I'll do one. I'll do one.